We just made it to Prague, spent about an hour and a half at the train station trying to figure out our next trip, but we have figured it out, and so now we're going to explore a bit. It's pretty rainy right now, but
tomorrow is supposed to be sunny.
Weatherman Meg figured it out. We are here at the Prague Astronomical Clock. It's currently under scaffolding, but we knew it was going to be that way because our roommates in Vienna told us so, and they were here a week earlier. But they did a good job with the scaffolding. We took cover, but it's supposed to be sunny tomorrow, and that'll be a bigger walking day. It is raining too much, so we're gonna go find a movie theater and try to find an English movie. And we'll probably do our big walking day tomorrow.
When it's sunny, hopefully.
Hopefully. So Megan refuses to eat popcorn during the movie, so she has to eat all the popcorn before it starts, so she's just been shoveling it into her mouth and ignoring me the whole time.
Fun fact, they don't give you butter here. It's just plain.
We are about to go to a traditional Czech restaurant that our Airbnb host recommended to us. And it's apparently right around the corner, so really close. Do you remember what it's called?
Nope.
I think it's Old Medico, something like that. Starts with an H. I thought it started with an M.
Oh.
Starts with an M. But apparently it's a brewery as well, and Czech is known for their beers.
We found it. How full this menu is. Unfortunately, the meal was awful. I had salmon and it was so dry. Oh my gosh. And it was like,
yeah. And they forgot my drink order and took really long, small portion sizes, so do not recommend. Here we are walking around Prague for the first day. We're currently searching for a free walking tour because we never do them, so we want to do one today. But we didn't look up where it starts, so we're just gonna go to the main area. We found where the tour starts, but it starts at 11 and it's about 10:30, so we're gonna look for food first.
You can actually go into any of the galleries for free. Yeah, so you can go in this one if you just have an hour to kill, anything like that. Along with it, the House of the Stone Bell is also part of the National Gallery today. But a fun fact about the Goldskinsky Palace is Franz Kafka actually went to gymnasium there. It was a school during his lifetime, and his father owned a shop on the first floor called a haberdashery.
We're currently on a free walking tour around Prague. We have learned a whole bunch of interesting things so far.
But my meal was so small last night, I had to overcompensate today.
So we just finished having lunch in Prague, and tourist tip number whatever number this is, when they put bread on your table, that doesn't mean it's free.
Yep, don't eat it, or they charge you.
Interesting.
They charge you per person.
They charge you per person per bread without even like asking you if you want it.
Marching up the hill to the promised land. Starbucks. So we left our tour a little early this morning, and Megan got really afraid to leave without saying goodbye. And we were about to take a photo, and she just spotted him about 5 hours in the day later. And she's off. She's running from him.
I feel guilty. It was a tip-based tour and we didn't tip.
To be fair, we didn't tip because we don't have any cash on us ever since our debit cards got hacked. So we just have our credit cards. And so yes, we did feel bad. I'm currently paddle boating in Prague. Had to pay cash, and so I got back crowns. So this is my first foreign money of the trip. Gotta spend it tonight. We were taking a bunch of pictures standing up on this thing, and we were surprised that it hasn't capsized yet. It is our final hour in Prague, walking to the train station, and Meg is finally sick.
It only took a month and a half.
We're gonna try to find a pharmacy, either here or in Nuremberg, Germany, our next destination, which we decided 2 days ago. So I had to spend that 100 crown bill I got as change yesterday before we left Prague. 100 crowns is about $5 US, and we were able to get 5 pastries and 2 drinks. They're huge. And we have 15 crowns left over, which is enough for about 1 more pastry. Managed to get 2 more pastries with the change we had left over. Oh, already eating them.
There you go.
And we still have 1 crown left over. 1 crown is worth about 5 US cents.